have
Sir,
we completed. Okay. Harsh Mehra, you need not to speak. You need not to speak. Just listen carefully.
सर पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
मैंने अभी बताया नहीं है. एंड ओके, जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली. अभी बस सुनना है आपको. यस. So students, from tomorrow we will discuss some important topics of grammar, which will be asked in your exams. Okay, so from tomorrow we will learn that. So in this class, do you know what we are going to do? We are going to take one surprise test in this class. Tanvi Mehra is smiling very nicely here. I think she got my point. Okay, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Just show me thumbs up. In this class, we are going to take surprise test. Are you ready? Yes. Now, close your notebooks and books. Whatever you have with you, please close all the books and notebooks. Close all the books and notebooks. सारे बुक्स और नोटबुक्स बंद कर दीजिए. कोई कुछ भी नहीं ओपन करेगा, कोई कुछ भी नहीं देखेगा. ठीक है स्वाति? Now here I will ask some questions randomly. Randomly means किसी को भी मैं सवाल पूछूंगा. Whosoever I can see, whosoever on the screen, I will ask the question to them. Okay? Yes. Now be ready. Now be ready. Nobody will unmute their devices. Yes. Now let's start from Tanvi. Tanvi Meena. Let's start from Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question is for you. Good morning. The question is for you. Tell me the answer of this question. Where does the balloon man stand? Where does the balloon man stand? Sangeeta, don't open your book and notebook.
On the square of market.
Come again.
On the square of market.
Very good, very good, very good. Now the next question is for Swati. Swati Meena. I have another question for Swati. Swati, are you there? जो अपने डिवाइसेस बीच में से म्यूट से अनम्यूट करेंगे उनको अलग क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. Okay, so nobody will unmute their devices. Yes, until their names are not announced here. Okay. Swati Meena. Okay, next is Shreyasi Ojha. Shreyasi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Listen carefully. The next question is for you, Shreyasi.
Yes, sir.
How many fish are there in the sea? How many fish are there in the sea?
Millions.
Come again.
Sir, millions.
Tell me the answer in full sentence, in proper word.
There are a fish mil- a, there are a million fish in the sea.
Very good, very good. Next is on the screen. I can see Shaurya Chauhan. Shaurya Chauhan.
Yes,
Are you ready? Next question
सर मेरा
is,
पेपर कब आएगा?
next is Shaurya Chauhan. Be ready. The question is for you. What things does a seed need to grow? What things does a seed need to grow? Shaurya, can you hear?
Sir.
So tell me the answer of this question. What things does a seed need to grow?
सर ये इंग्लिश का रिजल्ट का क्या हुआ? रिजल्ट नहीं आया अभी तक बच्चों।
आपने पीडीएफ फाइल देखी जो ग्रुप में डाली हुई है, उसमें मैं
सर
पहले
आ गया रिजल्ट।
यस पीडीएफ फाइल डाली हुई है जिसमें चारों सब्जेक्ट्स के मार्क्स अवेलेबल है। और मैं एक बात बता दूं, जो इंग्लिश के पेपर गूगल क्लासरूम में शो नहीं कर रहे होंगे, some technical error is there so that your paper are not visible there, okay, but marks and checking already done and the result is also published in a WhatsApp group. So please check your WhatsApp group, Google Classroom 2 or 3 times in a day. दिन में 2-3 बार गूगल क्लासरूम और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप चेक ही करने हैं, ओके, so that you can get all the updates regarding your words, results, CC activities, whatever work is given.
ये सो गया ना
Okay, Shaurya, are you ready with your answer? Okay, I think he is not responding. Next is Vikas Meena. Vikas Meena from 3rd B. Vikas Meena, please unmute your device. Yes. Tell me. Tell me the answer of this question. Why was Nina worried? Why was Nina worried? Vikas. Yes, Vikas.
Yes, balloon mind. Balloon mind. Balloon man of market.
Because you are taking too much time. Now your turn is over. Next is Sangeeta. Sangeeta,
Yes,
unmute your
sir.
device. Yes, tell me the answer of this question. Why was Nina worried? Let me see how many students are studying properly, doing their studies properly. Let me check. What is the name of a fruit of an oak tree? ओक ट्री का जो फ्रूट होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? या जो सीड होती है, जो हमने पोएम देखी थी, उस पोएम के स्टार्टिंग में ही है, बता सकते हैं संगीता?
Yes, sir.
You are taking too much time, so Next is on the screen Mohammad Arkan. Sangeeta, mute your device.
Yes,
Mohammad
sir.
Arkan. Yes. Tell me the past tense of look. Tell me the second form of look. L-O-O-K, look. What is the second form of look?
Looks.
Tell me the spelling of this.
Sir, looks.
Tell me the spelling of that word.
A-double-O-K-E-S. Sir, A-double-O-K-E-S.
It is L-O-O-K-A-D. Look. It is the second form of look. Arkan. Got it? Next is Rudra Pratap Singh. Now mute your device. Next is Rudra Pratap.
सर ये लिखना है। Yes, sir.
Yes, the question is for you. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go?
सर ये लिखना है क्या?
मैंने बोला अनिया लिखने के लिए। मैंने नहीं बोला अभी लिखने के लिए, बस सुनना है। रुद्र प्रताप, प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा स्टूडेंट। Okay, the next is Rohini Meena. Rohini Meena.
सर क्या?
Yes, tell me, where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Where did Sonu see the yellow butterfly? सोनू ने येलो बटरफ्लाई कहाँ देखा था? रोहिणी, आर यू देयर? टेल मी। ओके, क्वेश्चन पास टू प्रियम यादव। प्रियम यादव, देख रहे हैं ना सभी बच्चे कितना पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। जैसे हमारा सिलेबस खत्म हो रहा है, यूनिट खत्म हो जाता है, क्वेश्चन आंसर खत्म हो जाते हैं, कंप्लीट करते हैं हम, उसके बाद उसे सीखते ही नहीं है, पढ़ते ही नहीं होंगे शायद। ओके, प्रियम यादव, बी रेडी। Yes, tell me, where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly?
Sonu first see the yellow butterfly in his garden.
Very good, very good. Next is Piyush, Piyush Gazana.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the plural of book.
B-double-O-K, book.
Tell me the plural. Tell me the plural form. Plural means one, many.
1 million.
What is the plural form of book?
Sir, the booked. Booked.
Plural form of book is books, not booked. Plural, one, many. One book, many books. One pen, many pens. One finger, many fingers. Like that way. Okay.
Many
Next is Mohini Chaudhary. Next is Mohini Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, why was the little fish unhappy? Why was the little fish unhappy? Mohini. Tell me fast. Don't waste time. Okay. Next question passed to Mitali. Mohini, mute your device. You are not responding.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mitali, tell me. Why was the little fish unhappy?
The little fish unhappy because it was so small.
Very good, Mitali. Next is on the screen Meenakshi Meena. Meenakshi Meena, are you there? She has not given any response. So next is Kusum Dhakar. Kusum Dhakar. Yes. Tell me the opposite of tiny.
Small.
Tell me the opposite word of tiny. Tiny means बहुत छोटा.
Small.
Small is the similar word for tiny. Little, tiny, small. It is the these are the similar words. Big, yes, correct. Very good, very good. Next is on the screen Krish Meena. Krish Meena. Okay, he is also not giving any response. Next is Komal.
Yes.
Next is Komal.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me the 4 names of vegetables.
Potato.
Not potato, potato. Okay?
Brinjal.
Yes, brinjal.
Ladyfinger.
Lady's finger. Okay.
Tomato.
Very good, very good. Only 4 I have asked. Okay? Very good. Next is Harshit Rathore. Now Harshit Rathore, please unmute your device. Okay, he is also not giving any response. Unjula, please mute your device. Harshit, are you there? Rest of the students can listen all the answers so that the revision जो है आपकी वो रिवीजन आपकी कंटिन्यूअसली चल रही है. जैसे सुनते हैं हम, सुन के भी आपको आंसर पता चल रहे हैं. ओके, यस. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हर्ष मेहरा. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हर्ष मेहरा. हर्षित, आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज हर्ष मेहरा. Harsh Mehra is also not giving any response. Next is Garvit. Divyanshi Parihar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Garvit. What is the
Yes,
opposite word of day?
Night.
Very good. Next question to Divyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer of this question. Why did the flowers love the little children?
Sir.
Why did the flowers love the little children?
The balloons of the month.
Because Meena, mute your device.
The children loved the watering
The flowers love the little children as they bring watering cans. Okay, for their thirsty roots. Listen carefully. The flowers love the little children as they bring watering cans for their thirsty roots. Next is Divya Meena.
Yes, sir.
Next is Divya Meena. Yes. Tell me the two names of insects. Any two names of insects. 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 Yes, Divya. किसी भी दो insects के नाम बताना. Generally, we see that insect in our home. Divya Meena, you must know the name of the insect which we can see in our home. What is the meaning of insects? Insects का मतलब क्या होता है? Insects यानी कीड़े, है ना? कॉकरोच है, एंड, fleas, mosquito. Okay, next is Asad. Asad from 3rd B. Yes, very good Akshat. जिन बच्चों को आंसर आ रहे हैं वो टाइप करके मैसेज भी भेज सकते हैं, जैसे अभी अक्षत ने भेजा था, है ना? So without any disturbance, you also can tell the answer here. Okay, students. So next is Asad. Asad is not responding. Aharshi Ghosh. Aharshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the question is name the two birds in the poem Birds Talk.
Name the two words in English poem.
Name the two birds in the poem Birds Talk. Birds Talk जो poem है उसमें कौन से दो birds बातें कर रहे थे?
Robin and Jay.
Yes, very good. Next is Ania. Next is Ania. Yes, Ania, tell me the spelling of magic. Spelling magic की इस word की spelling क्या है? Ania.
Sir, I am going to.
Very good, Mitali, Shashwat, Akshat, Sanvi, Swati, Rohit. Very good.
Sir, I am
ओके आनिया, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आप बस बीच बीच में बोलने के लिए, है ना, तैयार रहते हो. जैसे क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप बोलोगे, आपकी आवाज नहीं आती है. आनिया, आनिया बेटा सुन पा रहे हो आप? अभी मैंने पूछा कि मैजिक इस वर्ड की स्पेलिंग क्या है? हम
balloon.
कैसे लिखते हैं मैजिक? ओके, so leave it. The next is yes, Ania, now mute your device. You need not to speak. Upasana Baresha from 3rd A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Be ready for this question. Tell me the answer of this question. Why was there great joy in Nina's house?
सर मैं बताऊं मैजिक की स्पेलिंग?
नो कोमल, म्यूट योर डिवाइस। मैंने मैसेज में बताने के लिए बोला है, जैसे टाइप करके आप भेज सकते हो, है ना। टेल मी व्हाई वाज देयर ग्रेट जॉय इन नीनाज हाउस? उपासना, next is Unjala. Upasana's turn is over. Next is Unjala. Very good, Akshit.
सर
Yes.
सर
Advik.
repeat the
Unjala, मैंने आपसे ही पूछा है. Why
Sir,
was there
repeat the
great joy
question.
in Nina's house? Okay, next is Shreyanshi. Next is Shreyanshi.
Yes.
Yes, better tell me what is the second form of pick? What is the second form of pick?
सर ये जो आप
Very good.
ये
Yes, Shreyanshi.
सर ये आप
Very good, Ashwi, Advik, Shashwat, Akshit, Preyasi, Harshal, Drisha, Pratik, Divyanshi, Mohit, Arkan, Rohini, Prachi, Ishita, Icharani, अक्षत. अक्षत फुलवारिया, नाम वहां पे टाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. The second form of pick is picked. 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 Shreyanshi, you took a lot of time for this. Next is Shashwat. Shashwat.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you are looking so eager. The question is for you. What things does a seed need to grow?
A seed need to grow soil, water, and sunlight.
Very good. Next is on the screen Sanvi Mehra. Sanvi Mehra. Are you ready, Sanvi?
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, like this way. Now that's like a good girl. The question is for you. What do birds think of people? What do birds think of people? Birds लोगों के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? उनको क्या क्या करना नहीं आता?
Birds
Yes.
think people
Yes.
was so funny.
Yes. Yes, Tanvi, you are trying very good. Your voice is not audible, Tanvi. लोग क्या क्या नहीं कर सकते? The people are so funny as they can't fly, as they can't eat beetles.
Don't eat beetles.
Yes, and they can't sit on wire. Okay, very good. You tried well. Okay, so keep study hard. Yes, next question to Pratik Kumar Upadhyay. Be ready for this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden.
Marigold, sunflower, rose, poppies, and pansies growing in the magic garden.
Very good, very good. Next is on the screen, Pradarsh Trivedi. Yes, Pradarsh. Next question is for you. Pradarsh, are you ready?
सर ये आप लिख रहे हो जो हमको भी लिखना है क्या?
Pradarsh, are you ready? Let me know. Can you hear? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Where was the magic garden?
The magic garden.
Yes.
सर क्वेश्चन क्या फिर से कहना एक बार?
Where was the magic garden?
The magic garden is growing in the school playground.
Yes, the magic garden was in a school playground. Very good. Next is Prachi Meena, and after this Mohit Gehlot, be ready. And the last, I will ask the question to Kumud Thakre, and rest of the students, I will ask the question in next class. Okay? Yes. So Prachi, be ready. Prachi,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Yes. Tell me the plural form of dress. Tell me the plural form of dress.
The dress.
ड्रेस नहीं है
Plural form, plural, one, many.
Dresses.
बोल दे
Yes, very good, very good. Dresses, very good. Akshat, Shashwat, Arkan, Drisha. It is dresses, okay? Yes. Now next is Mohit Gehlot.
Side, please, sir.
किस लिए साइड? मैंने कुछ लिखा नहीं है. Okay, next question for Mohit Gehlot. Tell me the opposite word for downward. Icharani, very good. Shreyansi. Yes, Mohit. Tell me the opposite word of downward.
Sir, upward.
Very good, very good. And the last student is there, Kumud Thakre.
Yes,
Are you ready, Kumud?
Yes, sir.
Tell me any sentence. Tell me any sentence with using plant. प्लांट इस वर्ड का यूज करके कोई भी एक सेंटेंस बता दो मुझे.
एक तो
ओके ओके, जो हमारे बुक में वर्ड दिया है उस वर्ड से स्टार्ट कीजिए. जैसे हमने सीखा था पेज नंबर 25 से, द वर्ड इज स्टीम. Particularly word is mentioned there, steam. So tell me the sentence with using steam.
I give small.
Yes, yes. Tell me again. Come again.
The tree.
Pramod, come again. I cannot hear you.
It gives stems to the tree.
Very good. Very good. Stem gives support to the tree or plant. Yes, very good. So students, I'm really happy to see that most of the students given the correct answer are giving your correct answer. Okay, only few students are still not doing their study. Okay, so I request you all, please check your WhatsApp and Google Classroom app 2-3 times in a day so that you can get idea of the work which is assigned you by your teacher. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this amazing show.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.